So it's like kid in a sweet shop, you know? Bull in a china shop, maybe.
One man with a clear vision is Rich. He's going for a ballotine of chicken supreme, stuffed with ricotta and spinach, served with a potato and courgette gratin.
He's filling it with ricotta cheese.
With basil.
Basil.
Little bits of chicken, cooked. What's the point of that? It's a nasty thing to put in your mouth like that.
Not going to be pleasant.
Every kind of hour that passes, we really want to just keep going. It's a great opportunity. It's unique.
It's a bit like your other mousse, isn't it?
I'm doing mousse.
You did one yesterday, yeah? You stuffed the raviolis.
Oh, yeah, I did, yeah.
Basil.
Very good.
Flesh.
Good.
Very good.
Good memory.
Thanks.
Not bad, that.
Rich, are you ready?
Rich is presenting his chicken ballotine, stuffed with spinach, ricotta and thyme, a celeriac puree and a courgette and potato gratin.
So quite a few techniques.
A couple of techniques, yeah. Yeah.
For me, the ballotine is actually quite dry.
OK.
You'd have thought that with the ricotta cheese it would have remained moist, but not really.
The celeriac puree is kind of giving you a texture like baby food.
Yeah.
Which is unpleasant.
Yeah.
So we'll see whether or not this is going to hold you today. But you made some good choices and you made some bad choices.
Sure.
That's to be fair, OK?
Thanks, guys.
Thank you very much.
Frying it at the end, why did I do that? I never do that, you know? The technique now needs refining as opposed to the presentation, if I'm lucky enough to be here, but I'm not really convinced that I will be.